Hey everyone, how's it going? A lot has happened recently, especially since Mr. Hamster launched an exciting giveaway of 48,000 tokens, as you can see on your screen. But of course, there are some conditions to meet in order to claim those tokens. Today, I'm here to clarify everything for you, and I promise this video will be super helpful. Before we dive in, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Now back to those extra tokens from Mr. Kombat. As you can see, I have 48,000 tokens in the bot. I should probably withdraw them soon, especially since I've already claimed my 3,400 tokens. But where did these tokens come from? Let's find out together. Scrolling down, it shows that I've earned tokens from various sources. 2,000 tokens from activities, 1,000 from referrals, 640 from friends, and an astonishing 40,000 through achievements. Well, I'm not quite sure how, but the numbers seem wild, and surprisingly, nothing has reached my wallet yet. It looks like there's a claim airdrop option. Shouldn't this be free of fees? When I clicked on it, it asked if I wanted to connect my wallet, so I connected my Timekeeper wallet to see how it all works. But wait, it seems the bot wants to withdraw from another wallet before giving me these tokens, which are estimated to be worth 0.2 ton. This means I need to pay some fees first. However, here's the twist. This bot is a scam. Unfortunately, many people from my channel have fallen into this trap. It's crucial to note that this bot isn't even affiliated with Hamster. If we take a closer look, the username isn't anything related to Hamster, and it has over 300,000 users, meaning a lot of people have been misled. Today, I'm here to warn you about these scams. Many viewers tried to recharge using Ton and withdrew from this fraudulent bot, receiving nothing in return. They ended up losing their investment. I can't believe how many people fall for these scams despite the clear warnings. One of my viewers recently reached out to me, wanting to recharge Ton. After checking the bot, I immediately recognized it as a scam. The token count doesn't even match what I have in my wallet. Remember, Hamster doesn't take money from anyone during listings. It's vital to only withdraw from official bots, not any external ones. So, today's message is clear. Beware of this scam bot, and don't engage with it anymore. Hamster does not have any bots distributing tokens like this. Please share your experiences in the comments to help others avoid these traps. I'm also available in our chat group if you want to talk or need assistance. Let's focus on legitimate projects that will benefit us all. Make sure to join our Telegram for updates on upcoming listings and projects. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. It will be very important during this period. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.